EZWrite 6 now includes a new Revealer feature that adds more interactivity and engagement to your lessons. Let's take a quick look at how it works. First, tap here, then tap the Revealer icon. You can use the Revealer in a few different ways. You can start by covering the entire screen. Then reveal content gradually or all at once. You can also create multiple revealers to hide specific areas of the screen, and uncover them one at a time whenever you're ready. That's it. Use the Revealer to make lessons more dynamic and interactive. For more guides and tips about EZWrite 6, be sure to check out our other videos.